Hey there, drone fans. Today is day 5 in our 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas giveaways. And man, have I got a cool prize for you today from our good friends over at GOOLOO. But before I get to that, a gingerbread man was having problems with one of his knees. He had a lot of pain. So he went to the doctor and he said, "Doc, I really can't take this anymore. My knee is in so much pain. What do you think I should do?" And the doctor looked at him and said, "Well, have you tried icing it?" I know I told that joke last year as well, but that one's a keeper. Anyway, on the 5th day of Christmas, Drone Valley gave to me a brand new F3 GOOLOO air duster. Now, if you have no idea what this does, it's basically like a hurricane in your hand. You turn it on, it's got 3 speeds, up to 150,000 RPMs, and it'll blow dust out of your vents in the car. It'll blow debris off a table. You can use it to inflate a raft at the beach. It's got a lot of use cases, and if you're a nerd like me, and you've got cans of compressed air all over your computer room, you don't need them anymore. This does the job, and it's got attachments. It's a wonderful product, and it's kind of one of those things that you don't know you need until you have it. Then you use it, and you're like, wow, how did I ever do without this before I got it? So we're giving this away. Now, the contest could not be simpler. All you have to do is look below in the description. You'll see a link. Click that link. It'll bring up a form. The form's only going to ask you for 2 things, your email address and your YouTube username. And I need both of those because I want to get a hold of you if you win. Now, after 7 days, we'll collect up all the entries for day 5, and you have to enter every day because it's way too complicated for me to keep track of all these different entries for different days. So enter for day 5 if you're interested in this particular prize. Anyway, we'll look at all the entries, we'll close our eyes, and we'll pull one out at random. I'll send you an email and I'll say, hey, good news, you won the GOOLOO F3 air duster. Send me your address. I'll put this thing in a box and I'll ship it to you. And like I say every time, I don't care where in the world you live. You could live in Timbuktu, you could live in Sheboygan. I pick on them every time. And I was in Sheboygan this year, so beautiful area. I loved it on the way up to the Upper Peninsula in Michigan. But anyway, anywhere in the world, we'll put it in a box and we'll ship it to you. We just want you happy. It's the holidays. We really enjoy doing this giveaway every year. We've been doing it for 8 or 9 years now, and nothing makes me happier than when I realize it's the beginning of December and I'm going to start the 12 Days of Drone Valley Christmas. Now, this is day 5. I have 7 more days coming, and trust me, there are things that fly coming. You're going to love that. There are things you can talk into and remotely control things. There's all kinds of cool stuff coming, so stay tuned to the channel and make sure you enter every day because we really want to give this away to somebody out there and make you feel good for the holidays and bring a little joy into your life. So that's pretty much it for today. Thanks an awful lot for watching. And by the way, GOOLOO, thank you so much for donating this. I should have said that earlier. This is a great company. They make a ton of different products. They make jump starters, they make air compressors or air dusters like this, and a bunch of other really cool things. So check those guys out. And we've worked with them for a long time, and they make really quality products at a decent price. So I don't want to sound like an advertisement here, but I like them a lot. Anyway, that's it for today. Thanks again for watching, and until next time, as always, happy flying.